This is the new Blazing Star from Exceed RC. Its bold look and aggressive style brings a presence to the room. The latest model has been improved to provide a much better feel and control over the previous models. This is made possible due to coaxial design made up of 2 rotors, which eliminates the need for a tail rotor. The Blazing Star maintains its sternness due to highly precise CNC metal components such as the swash plate and body frame. The powerhouse of the Blazing Star is 2 powerful 370 SH carbon brush motors. Power derives from a 1250 milliamp lithium polymer battery.
The Blazing Star comes factory pre-assembled, so it's ready to go out of the box. The package includes the Blazing Star, a 4-channel transmitter, LiPo charger, a 1250 milliamp LiPo battery, a toolkit, and a serial cable. The Blazing Star is a great RC helicopter for beginners and intermediate flyers. For more information, please visit our website.